Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest tech to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the ADT Self-Setup Home Security System, a Google-ready smart home protection solution. Let's see if it lives up to its promises of easy installation and broad device compatibility. ADT offers 3 self-setup packages. The build-your-own kit starts at $194.98 and includes a smart home hub and one-door, window sensor. The starter kit, priced at $479.99, comes with the hub, 4-door, window sensors, 2 motion sensors, a Nest doorbell, an ADT yard sign, and more. And finally, the premium kit at $579.98 adds a Google Nest hub to the mix. The brains of the system is the Smart Home Hub, which comes in a sleek matte white design. It features a keypad with various function buttons and an LED strip that indicates its status. The hub connects via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Z-Wave technology, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. Plus, it has an LTE 4G radio for continuous monitoring even if your Wi-Fi goes down. The door, window sensors are easy to install with pre-attached adhesive strips, and the motion sensors come with mounting brackets for added flexibility. The Nest doorbell included in the package records high-quality video and is simple to set up. To unlock remote controls via ADT's app, you'll need to subscribe to a monthly monitoring plan. The first month costs $24.99, and if you have Nest cameras, you'll need to pay an extra $10 per month for Nest-aware video storage. While the system offers robust professional monitoring, you also have the option to self-monitor. The ADT Plus mobile app is available for Android and iOS. It displays the system's status and recent security events, and you can view live video feeds from installed cameras. The app allows you to manage users and customize alerts, as well as set up automations with Z-Wave devices. Setting up the system is a breeze. Sensors come pre-paired with the hub, and the Nest doorbell integrates seamlessly with the Google Home account. The system responded quickly to events and voice commands via Google Assistant. The ADT Self-Setup Home Security System worked flawlessly in our tests. It sent immediate push and email notifications for detected motion, and the siren was loud enough for clear alerts. However, configuring a Nest camera to record after sensor activity was not possible. In conclusion, the ADT Self-Setup Home Security System offers ease of installation, wide device compatibility, and reliable monitoring. If you're a fan of Google's smart home devices, this could be a great fit for you. However, keep in mind that it comes with a slightly higher upfront and monitoring cost compared to some competitors. That wraps up our review of the ADT Self-Setup Home Security System. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.